U.S. Bank's web and mobile banking is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances from anywhere. To get started, you need to enroll in online banking by visiting the U.S. Bank website or downloading the mobile banking app. Once you have enrolled, you can log into your account using your username and password. The web banking platform allows you to view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also pay bills, transfer funds, and set up account alerts. The mobile banking app offers the same features as the web platform, with the added convenience of being able to deposit checks remotely using your smartphone's camera. To deposit a check using the mobile app, simply select the deposit option, take a picture of the front and back of the check, and enter the deposit amount. The funds will be available in your account within a few days. You can also use the mobile app to find nearby ATMs and bank branches, and to contact customer support. U.S. Bank's web and mobile banking also offers a number of security features to protect your accounts. These include two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password, and account alerts, which notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. To use U.S. Bank's web and mobile banking effectively, it's a good idea to set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, and other important activity. You should also regularly review your account statements and transaction history to ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. Overall, U.S. Bank's web and mobile banking is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances more efficiently and effectively. By following these steps and taking advantage of the platform's features and security measures, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of online banking while minimizing the risk of fraud and errors.